Okay, let's have a look. So
This
we
is
have
pipe.
yes, and then
We have
goal pole,
GoPro.
and then
Bowser Gina.
Junior, yeah, Goomba,
Gooba.
block,
Block.
and
Mario.
Super Mario set.
Yeah.
That is so cool. Shall we open it, Noah? Yay! Okay, let's see. Yeah.
It's me, Mario.
Fingers. Okie dokie. Ooh. How do we open this one? Let's have a look. Yeah. And then. There. Oh. Wow. How many bags?
Number 3.
Okay. Take
What
that.
number is this bag?
Yeah. Oh goodness. There's a lot of bags.
Bags.
More.
1.
Oh,
Yeah.
number 1.
Number
And
one.
this is a Mario inside here.
Okay, let's have a look. Take all of them out. Oh, amazing.
Look.
Number 4.
Wow. That is a lot of bags.
Yeah.
Now, should we
So we
count?
have
Mario.
Noah, can you tell me what number is this?
Number 1.
And we have here, what's that number?
Number 2.
And then,
Number 3.
and then,
Number 4.
and then,
Number 5.
yes. And then this is, there's no number here. But that's okay.
6
Cool.
bags.
Okay, so
Yay.
Mario need to put it here. So we need to open this box.
Okay. Let's have a look at the instructions.
Oh.
Yeah.
Mama, I open it all.
And at the back of the instructions,
Mama, I'm
quick
opening.
start guide. It says, and then there is the Lego.com product feedback if we want to give some feedback. And the Super Mario number 71360. It's the starter kit, starter course.
Mommy,
Yeah.
I'm opening it already.
You are very good. Go ahead, honey.
Wow, that's a cool Super Mario.
Yeah.
It's me, Mario. But what's open? I don't know division. Look at this. What happens if we this one? Cancel to this.
First, we're going to have to put the battery on.
Yeah. We're going to open it. Look at that.
Mario
Cool
hat.
That's
hat.
the hat. You have to put the ears in here. Those ones.
Oh.
There. Can you do that? And put the other one
And I will put
here. Yeah, you put the other ear in there.
did this.
Perfect. And then we need to put the
Oh, look at what happened.
yeah, put the trousers on.
Oh, we need to have this. Now.
Buttons. Yellow buttons.
There's a low button.
There. There you go.
I will put this low.
That's a spare one, just in case we get lost. Something gets lost.
Very good.
And look at what happens. It's me, Mario.
Yes, and what do we need to do? We need to use the screwdriver to put in the, and unscrew the back and then put inside the, what are we putting inside now?
Battery.
Yes.
Yeah. I have one design.
Wow, wow.
Whoa, we can get this power.
Yeah?
Oh, we can get this, and we can get all of this a bad guy figures.
Yes, we can get all the figures. Right. Cool.
We will build.
So we did this one that is here at this page. We did this track, and now Noah's gonna illustrate how we play the game. Boom.
Oh, jump it out. Now. Follow Goomba.
Oh. Oh. Whoa. Whoa. $24.
24 points.
Do you want to jump here?
Whoa.
Woohoo!
Whoa.
You
There we
can
go.
jump here now. Jump a little bit here. To the cloud.
Jump to me! I'm the cloud! Jump to me! I'm the cloud! Woohoo!
Woohoo!
Jump here! I'm the cloud!
Ha 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 ha! Super Mario! Ha 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 ha! Woo!
Yeah.
But you should have jumped here first, then, because now you finished the game. Now you're starting another one.
Yeah.
Wow! Noah's pretty good in this study.
Uh-huh.
Wow! Noah.
Ah!
Oh, oh.
I go back there. Go back there.
I can put it there. Yeah, perfect. Woo! Hello, Mario. Super Mario, where are you? Oh. Jump here, Noah. Jump here. Jump here first. Wow.
Well done.
Thank you guys for watching my video. Subscribe for my channel.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye bye. Hiya!
Ah.